For the bird dog exercise, begin on hands and knees with a neutral spine. Think of making a tabletop with your back. Reach one arm and the opposite leg, and as you extend your arm, make a fist, trying to create tension. As you extend your leg, think about pushing the heel behind you. Remember, you're not trying to lift your leg up so much as just extend it. The goal here is to create motion at the ball and socket joints of the hip and the shoulder while keeping the lumbar spine as motionless as possible. Complete the set on one side and then switch. The next level of progression on the bird dog is to alternate sides. Remember, the hands should stay right below the shoulders and the knees stay right below the hips. If it helps, you can think of the four corners of a rectangle on the mat. One more progression is to add in a hover. So as we reach, we bring the fist behind the head, pointing the elbow out to the side, reach it back in front, and bring it all the way down. Same thing other side. Reach, extend, bring the hip behind the head, point the elbow out to the side, hover, reach back, and lower.